What's good with y'all? What's good, man? We back with another video. Y'all can see we going to get the engine today, man. I'm real happy, man. I'm real happy. It's a pretty day. On the move, about to go pick up the new engine, man. Boy, can't wait. I cannot wait. Been waiting. It's finally here. I'm going to get it. About to go by the bank, get the money. Go pick up the engine, all that good stuff, and then we coming back. It's a lot of moving around today in this vlog. Y'all know I got to get the engine pulled. I'm gonna get the engine pulled out of Big Meech today, cause I want to take it back for the core so I can get some of my money back. I need to go ahead and get that back today. So what's about to happen right now is I got a lot of stuff on the back of my truck right now that is not unloaded. So what I'm gonna do is I'm about to go to my hometown, cause y'all know that's why I go to AutoZone at. That's the AutoZone I go to. I'm going there to pick up my engine. So I already talked to Unc. I'm gonna use my Unc truck. So I'm gonna go grab his truck, go pick up the engine, go pick up my cousin a little crazy. Get his we're gonna use his engine hoist, cause I ain't got none yet. And gonna bring it back to the house, get the new engine unloaded, sit it in the garage and all that good stuff. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull the engine out of Big Meech, set it back on the truck, then I'm gonna take Cuzzo back, and we're gonna go ahead and take this back to AutoZone so I can get the core back. So that's what's going on today. So right here, all I got left is 2 transmission bolts, lower transmission bolts. They easy, one on that side, one on that side. And I got, what else? Torque converter bolts and the starter. I forgot the wires out the starter, cause I'm gonna keep the probably just gonna drop the starter. I'm gonna drop the starter. It won't be nothing too bad to do. So that's all I got to do. Then we can pull the engine out. Oh well, I gotta take transmission lines out. Transmission lines are loose and power steering lines. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, cause I don't have that puller. And God, y'all, I just thought about something talking to y'all. I'm gonna have to get that bracket off to get the engine back. So I might not be getting that core back to him today, cause I gotta take the pulley off the power steering pump. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I might get a puller. I don't know. But anyway, stay tuned, y'all. We're about to get on the road, so let's get it. Alright, checking in. I just left the bank. I'm in Unc truck, just picked the truck up and all that. Now I'm at AutoZone. So we about to get the engine. I had to go get this too, man. I don't have one of these, so I picked up the engine plate. Always something good to have, so I had to pick that up. So I'm about to run in here, go ahead and pay for the engine. Then I'm back here at the cargo door, so we should get it loaded up. Then I'm gonna pull up on Cuzzo, and we're gonna get back to the house. So next time I get to the house, probably gonna be the next scene. So y'all stay tuned. Well, I'm gonna show y'all the motor too, but y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a few. Alright, so we check the engine out, y'all.
Another big engine right there.
There's one right here. Oh, it's in the black crate. Okay. Yeah. So this it. That's it right here.
You want to pop it over?
Yeah, we can pop it over. Let y'all check it out. I know y'all want to see it. I've been waiting on it. It's a 350. I saw somebody in the comments asked too, so it's a 350, y'all. I guess y'all missed it, but it's all ready to go. Oh man, it come with chrome valve covers already.
Yeah, good, man.
Shit, that's straight right there. Yeah, we ready to go, y'all.
Got your gaskets right here.
Okay, with the gaskets too.
Everything you need, man.
Hold on, what gaskets? These the intake?
It might be.
And I just ordered some intake. I just bought some intake gaskets. Might not need them.
It's all exhaust.
Oh, exhaust.
Yeah, you need them.
God, they got them in there.
I'll return them. It's all good.
Okay. So, well, I can return them. Well, I use it. We'll swap it out. I gotta get some oil. I need to come back in and get some oil for it too. So, That's it, y'all. We about to.
Might have some oil in it. Cause they,
For real?
yeah, cause
Oh yeah, they got a primer.
yeah.
I need to check all that. So we about to get this thing loaded up. I'm gonna get it back to the house, and then we're gonna bring the old engine back. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so we back at the house. Y'all see I got my cousin over here. Y'all make sure to check his channel out. Go subscribe. It's on the screen right now. Got the car jacked up already. We finna get it pulled out. It pretty much there. Y'all know I ain't even gotta go over what I gotta do yet to get it out, but I got it jacked up. Finna go under the car, get that done first. We got his engine hoist, and we got the crate engine right here, which I'm gonna take it out last. Cause we're gonna have to put the intake bolts in, and then we can pull it up by the intake. So I'm gonna get that out last, get out the crate, set the other one in. But yeah, get everything. Finna get this ready to pull out, then we'll get the engine hoist off of there. So y'all just stay tuned. I had to go get this too. Like I said, I had to go get the, hold on, we got my stud lock. Had to go get the pulley removed so I can get that power steering pump pulley off. Cause I'm taking this, I'm trying to get this back today. Especially what I got on truck. I mean, he said there ain't in no rush, but trying to get it done today. So I'm about to get to work. I'm probably not gonna film a lot of me working, cause y'all know what to do. So just stay tuned, y'all. About to make it happen. All right, so we checking in. Got everything done, everything disconnected. So we about to pull it. I'll make sure everything out the way, which it is. So we about to, like I said, we about to get ready to pull this thing out. It ready. So we're gonna pull it out. Nah, say go get my impact. I do need my impact. So we're gonna pull it out and set it down. I'm gonna take all the front stuff off real quick. I'm gonna zip it off, zip the intake off, take the flywheel off, and then it'll be ready. Then I'm gonna take the crate engine, take it down. We're gonna put the other one back in there, then hit the road. We're gonna be ready. So engine about to come out, y'all. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all, we checking back in. Man, Cuzzo got the motor tore completely down. I don't need the balancer. I'm gonna use the one off Cheapskate. Intake is off, so everything is off that I need, that I can think of. So now to get this off, since it's in a crate, we about to put the intake on the on this one right quick. I ain't gonna tighten it all the way down, but I'm opening it up. Let me see. This the engine. They got it strapped down. So let me get this thing. Let me get this thing out. Then I'm gonna check back in. All right, y'all. So this the engine. This how it come, long block. Like I said, it ready to go. I didn't know it come with chrome valve covers and timing chain cover and all that. I like that. I ain't know that. But it literally popped the intake on, front accessories, and drop your distributor. It's already top dead center and all that. Got to put your harmonic balance on. But other than that, hey, it ready to go. So I'm about to set the intake on this thing, so we can pull it out, sit it in the garage, and then we're gonna put this one in the crate, and we taking it back. That's it. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we checking back in, wrapping it up for today. Everything got accomplished that I want to get accomplished. We got the old engine is back in the crate, about to run it back before they close and get it dark and get dark. We got the new engine in here in the garage, all safe and sound, ready to be installed. I just set the intake on there. I don't know, I might come out here tomorrow and mess with it. I ain't sure. Put the front accessory stuff on, water pump and all that good stuff, cause man, it ain't gonna take no time to do that. Oh well, I put the water pump. I guess it's inside the car. Can't remember, but I might do that. Go ahead and dress it up. Set it and have it ready to go in. While I'm thinking about that, I need to make sure I got some more Permatech. I don't think I do. So I might have to buy some of that, y'all. Some more gasket glue. Oh no, I got some over there. So yeah, put the intake on. All of that. I'm trying to make sure I got everything I need. Oh, I'm gonna have to, when I drop on truck off, I hope if he at the shop, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch my flywheel off my other motor that came out of my S10. Cause I got to have the flywheel. I thought about it as soon as I pulled it engine out. Cause you know that flywheel don't work. It's 305 flywheel. Got to have a 350 flywheel. Got to have the right balancer cause the weight and all that stuff matter. It balances the motor. The engine and all that, crank and all that stuff, different weight. So I got to get the harmonic balancer and the flywheel off of my other motor at the shop. Which ain't a big deal. I think, nah, I ain't take the balancer out. I gotta go get it. But yeah, this is where we at. It's out. I mean, clean job. I mean, it was pretty easy, simple. We did it pretty quick. I appreciate my cousin, old man, for helping out. Say I had dropped the channel early in the video. Make sure to go subscribe. He got some new stuff coming. But yeah, that's where we at. We finna set the hood back on. We've been hitting the road, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Big Meech finna have oil pressure. Once again, everything cool this time cause it's brand new, 0 miles, so we good to go. It's 350. It's a bigger engine this time. So yeah, man, everything cool. But other than that, that's it, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. I appreciate everybody.